Welcome to Short Courses. Today let's see what are the common abbreviations we use daily without knowing its full form. T. Full form of T is taste and energy admitted. Pen. Full form of pen is power enriched at nib. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. We often use Wi-Fi without knowing its full form. OTP. Full form of OTP is one-time password. GPS. Full form of GPS is Global Positioning System. PDF. Full form of PDF is Portable Document Format. Google. Full form of Google is Global Organization of Oriented Group Language of Earth. SIM. Full form of SIM is Subscriber Identity Module. In this cell phone world, this is common word representing a small piece of chip with unique number on it, which help us to make calls. SMS. Full form of SMS is Short Message Service. This is a text messaging service from mobile operators. PIN. Full form of PIN is Personal Identification Number. It is a unique number issued to identify a person. Normally we use this while operating bank cards. ECS. Full form of ECS is Electronic Clearance Service. The ECS scheme provides an alternative method of effecting bulk payment transactions like periodic, monthly, quarterly, half-yearly, yearly payments. ATM. Full form of ATM is Automated Teller Machine, machine which disburses money. DIY. Full form of DIY is Do It Yourself. DOB. Full form of DOB is Date of Birth, the date on which you born. AM and PM. Full form of AM and PM is Ante-Meridiem and Post-Meridiem. This is a Latin word with meaning of before midday and after midday. These are all some of the common short forms we use daily without knowing its full forms. We hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe to Short Courses. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.